The M777 Howitzer is one of the most advanced and battle-proven artillery systems in the world, widely used by the United States military and several allied nations. Developed by BAE Systems, the M777 was designed to replace older artillery platforms with a lightweight, highly mobile alternative that could be rapidly deployed to various combat zones. Made primarily of titanium and aluminum alloys, the M777 weighs less than half of its predecessor, the M198, making it easier to transport by helicopters like the CH-47 Chinook, or sling-loaded under the MV-22 Osprey. This 115mm towed artillery piece is capable of firing a wide range of ammunition types, including high-explosive shells, smoke rounds, and precision-guided munitions such as the M982 Excalibur. The Excalibur round has revolutionized modern artillery by offering GPS-guided precision with a circular error probability of less than 5 meters. This means the M777 can hit targets with extreme accuracy even at long ranges, significantly reducing collateral damage and increasing battlefield effectiveness. In terms of range, the M777 can fire standard rounds up to 24 kilometers and rocket-assisted projectiles up to 40 kilometers. Its digital fire control system allows it to be rapidly targeted and adjusted, giving it a faster response time compared to older systems. A crew of 5 to 8 soldiers can operate the gun, and with proper coordination, the M777 can deliver sustained and accurate fire support for both defensive and offensive operations. The M777 has seen extensive combat service in Iraq, Afghanistan, and most recently in Ukraine, where it has been used with deadly efficiency against enemy positions. Its lightweight design and advanced targeting capabilities make it ideal for mountainous and difficult terrain, where traditional artillery systems would struggle to operate. The system's mobility and precision have made it a critical asset in modern warfare, where speed and accuracy often determine the outcome of engagements. Unlike traditional artillery that relies heavily on mass bombardment, the M777 fits into the doctrine of precision warfare. Its integration with modern battlefield technologies, including satellite navigation and advanced communication systems, allows for real-time targeting and coordination with drones and reconnaissance units. This connectivity turns the M777 into more than just a gun. It becomes part of a larger, networked system designed for maximum effectiveness. The U.S. Army and Marine Corps have embraced the M777 not just for its performance, but for its adaptability. It can be deployed quickly, operate in rugged environments, and support both ground troops and special operations forces. As military strategies evolve towards faster, more flexible responses, the M777 remains a key component in delivering overwhelming firepower when and where it is needed most. Its success has led to adoption by allied forces in countries like